Look at the rainbow. Right here. Literally.
Oh, yay.
Got a rainbow. Yay. Look at this place, guys. This is ridiculous.
I'm gonna take a picture of the rainbow.
Look where I'm at. I can't even believe it. All right, guys. I'm at the Surf and Sand Hotel in Laguna Beach right now. And this area is amazing. Right from the bat, you come in here, right? The parking lot right here. You're looking at it right from here. And there's like the houses on the hills. But on the other side, right, it's the beach. It's crazy. And as soon as you get here, you walk up the stairs, this is what you see, right? When you start walking towards it, boom. And it just opens up to all these other spots here. But then, when you come around here, look at this. This is crazy. This is crazy, bro. So as you can see, the weather is definitely below. It's not working too right, but you can see everything in this bitch. And I say, I mean everything. You know what I'm talking about? What's up, Pimpin'? All right, I'm sorry, I cut it off, but I gotta show you outside in the room, right? Boom. Nice 20. No, that's like a 65-inch TV, not 20. But yeah, look at this. This is like, I thought this was a whole nother room. It's not. It's a mirror. Just look at it right at me. Stop it. Shh. But check this out, right? As soon as you get out here, oh my God. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this, man. This is crazy. Yeah, and that's how I'm saying, that's how I'm living today for the next weekend. So I'm gonna show y'all more of this great spot. I don't have nothing else to say, but I'm gonna see y'all later because I gotta get dressed. Later, y'all. Peace. Just like. All right, that's what they get. Wow, look how beautiful this is. Wow. This place is friggin' amazing. Like, if you could afford this and you know you want to probably come out and spend some money with your significant other, I wouldn't say do this as a family. I wouldn't. It's too intimate. Couples, someone you know you want to impress, this is a great spot, honestly. For everybody here right now, still at this beautiful surf and sand resort. It's amazing here. I'm gonna show y'all some more content because I haven't been filming that much because I've been pretty occupied. But today we're gonna do a massage. So just get the content of that, show y'all what it looks like and what a massage consists of. And yeah, just stay tuned, all right? See y'all soon. Hey. Okay, you want to tell me a little bit about this place?
Make sure the information is correct. You'll scroll to the
Well,
bottom
this is
of
the
text.
wonderful Surf and Sand Resort,
Mm-hmm. It's filming.
and you can't get any closer to the beach. It's right down there. Only place you can be working and hear the waves crashing, unless you're a lifeguard.
Good thing, so we
You
scroll to the
know
bottom
what I
of
mean?
text.
Yeah.
Are you getting a massage?
We only check
Oh, I'm
one
getting
place.
deep tissue, I think.
He's about to get beat.
You know what's bad? I have really bad sciatic
Do you?
right here, so yeah, I need that.
All right, well, we'll
that.
say extra beating for you.
Sorry, I could take it. I am excited about this. Let's go.
You're not filming my backside, are you?
I mean, you are turned back to me,
It's not my good side.
It's not your good side?
Gotti.
Well, give me your good side.
I don't have one.
You have all of them.
It's when I leave.
You liar. She lying to me right now. She know what she got. She working it out here. Don't let her lie to you.
Come on in.
Look, see, Beth is the most. She extra. I like her. Smells amazing in here.
I can't take you into the locker room because a man just went in there. I don't want to see what's going on in there. So let me explain to you what you need to do, and then Jenny, I'm going to take you into the locker room.
Okay.
So, Gotti.
What up, y'all? I can't be too loud, but right now I'm about to do a pure eucalyptus shower spa mist. I can't show you because I gotta get naked, but it smells so good in here. I just did the eucalyptus shower spa mist. It was really good. My nose, like, it cleared my nose, which was like kind of stuffed. Like, I can feel this like calming sensation with it. It was so good. I'm gonna have to get one of these for home, you know? Alright, we'll get to the massage soon though. I'm gonna let y'all know what goes on. I try to record the massage, but due to Colorado state laws, California state laws, I cannot record that if it's being paid for, but I could record it if it wasn't being paid for, and that is really weird. So right now what I'm gonna do, I'm just trying to show y'all the entrance of the hotel, because I never did the last time, so check it out. This place is gorgeous. Check out this area. So I was up there somewhere, one of those.